love making stuff, making an actual consumer product. It's always good to see what you're producing being used different places, seeing it on store shelves, and actually using it yourself.
The sales support team actually is there for each market. They assist the field with general inquiries. The owner of the store, the store manager, it's the same person calling every day. When they retire, they pass it on to their sons or their daughters, so it's really nice. It's more like a family business, even though we're such a big company.
The culture of Benjamin Moore is, safety first.
And this is the only place that I've seen where they start every meeting talking about safety. It's sincere too. It's not just let's pull up the safety slogan of the week.
There's always something new to learn. As far as me moving up, I know I'm not going to stay where I am right now. I want to keep moving up. I know I can do it.
I started here as a customer experience rep, and I moved up to a senior rep, and then a pricing coordinator, team leader, manager, and now manager for sales support.
There's a sense of teamwork that comes with everything that you do. Everybody cares about quality of the product and getting it right the first time and doing it safely.